Hey guys, today we are covering a very important 10 mark question from the 2025 paper, which is brochures. If you follow this structure, that is introduction, then meaning, types, uses, advantages, limitations, and PR significance, you can write a perfect full mark answer in the exam. First, let's come to the meaning. A brochure is a small booklet or folded document containing brief and accurate information about services, facilities, or activities of an organization. It is used to inform, educate, and attract the public. Now, the features of a good brochure. It should have a clear and a simple language, have an attractive layout and design, include images, colors, and proper headings. It should provide concise and relevant content. It should be easy to read and understand, and give complete and correct information in a short form. The key point to remember is a brochure is always simple, attractive, and easy to understand. Next, the types of brochures. Informational brochures. They give general library details. Promotional brochures highlight services and new arrivals. Educational brochures. They guide users. Event based brochures used for seminars and exhibitions. These are straightforward points, easy marks if you list them clearly. Now, the most important part, uses in library and information centers. Brochures are used to provide information about library services and facilities. They promote new resources and collections. They inform users about rules, timings, and membership. They support user education and orientation. They create awareness among new and potential users. Example, a brochure explaining how to use OPAC or digital library access. This section is very important for scoring marks, so don't skip it. Advantages of brochures. They are cost effective and easy to distribute. They act as permanent reference material. They enhance the visibility and image of the library. They help in systematic communication. Write this in points and you'll secure marks easily. Coming to the limitations, limited space for detailed information. It requires frequent updating, may be ignored if not attractive. Adding limitations shows balanced understanding, which examiners appreciate. Now, the most important scoring part is public relations significance. Brochures create awareness among users, they build goodwill and a positive image. They strengthen communication between library and users. Remember this line, brochures not just information tools, they are image builders and communication bridges. To conclude, brochures are an effective and economical public relations tool that help libraries inform, promote, and attract users, ensuring better utilization of services. If you revise this once, you can easily write this 10 mark answer in the exam. Thank you for watching.